Hello student, my today's topic is solving the quadratic equation by the completing the square method. That is completing the square method. It is not important for the exam point of view, but that method you have to learn. Okay, completing the square method means what? Suppose if you have any square, this is any square figure, and you have one rectangular figure also. Okay, then suppose this one length is x and breadth is also be x. These are the same figure, and here the length are same x, but breadth I have taken here 4. Okay. Now see how can I complete x square? How can I convert x square plus 4x into the form of x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square? How can I convert this x square plus 4x into the form of x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square? When you add these two figures, then what you get? You get another square shape whose size length is x here, and this one is also be x, and that one become as 4. Yes, this is x, x, and that one is 4. Now divide this 4 into a two parts. Then the figure convert into a form of four. When we divide into two parts, then 4 can convert into 2 and 2. Okay, so our length is seen here x, and it's come x, 2 and 2. Okay, now just take this 2 and put here. Then your figure convert into this type of form. Like this. Okay, here also you just see that one is x, this one become as x plus 2, and you take from the second part, so that side is also become 2. Now which part is remain here? You see that this part is remain here, that one part. If we exclude this part, then it's become a complete square of x plus 2. Okay, when we exclude this 2 square from the figure, then it's become a complete square of x plus 2 whole square. Okay, I think you understand these points. Yeah, what we have to do, we have taken the x plus, you just look at the book also. X plus 2, 2 square, we convert into this. Then when we subtract minus 2 square from here, then x square plus 4x is convert into x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. Okay, now another method of that is by algebraically, how can we solve this one? Suppose I have taken one example, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. We have to convert this equation in form of method of completing the square and solve this equation. The first point is that you shift the constant term on right hand side. Okay, shift constant term on right hand side, then it's become 2x square minus 7x equals to minus 3. Then after divide it by 2. 2 what is 2? 2 is a coefficient of x square. Just divide this whole equation by 2. Okay, this one also, that one also. Okay, then it's become x square minus 7 upon 2x equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, now we know the a plus b whole square formula. What is that? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So multiply this equation, the center part, multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay, so x square minus 2 into 7 upon 4x equals to minus 3 by 2. Then that term is becoming as a 7 upon 2, 7 upon 4 become as b and x become a. So add 7 upon 4 in both sides. Then you get x square minus 2 into 7 upon 4x plus 7 upon 4 whole square equals to minus 3 upon 2, 7 upon 4 whole square. Minus 3 upon 2, 7 upon 4 whole square. Okay, now it's become as x plus 7 upon 4 whole square. Yes, x plus 7 upon 4 whole square. Sorry, x minus, because the minus sign is there now. So it becomes x minus 7 upon 4 whole square equals to minus 3 by 2 plus 49 upon 16. Solve this 49 upon 16. Then LCM is 16. So multiplies 8 3s are 24 minus 24 plus 49. Then it's come 25 upon 16. So x minus 7 upon 4 whole square is equals to 25 upon 16. We can write 25 upon 16 as 5 by 4 whole square. Okay, when you cancel this square sign, then the sign of plus and minus come here. Then so x minus 7 upon 4 equals to plus minus 5 by 4. Now transfer this sign minus 7 upon 4 on that side. Then it's come x is equals to plus minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. First you take plus, then after minus. Okay, so here it is 4 plus minus 5 plus 7. So your answer is x is equals to, when you take the plus, then 7 plus 5, 12 upon 4. 12 upon 4 means your answer is 3. When you take minus, then 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. I hope you understand. If you are not understand, just watch the video again and try to solve any 4 question in your copy. Okay, which is related to completing the square method. Okay.